buying supplies or services for a specific client. Tracking them as billable expenses ensures you get reimbursed and keeps your project profitability clear. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. When you enter an expense like a bill, check, or bank transaction, look for the billable checkbox and the customer column. Simply check the box and select the client or project the expenses for. The magic happens when you create their invoice. In the Add to Invoice column on the expense, you'll see a lightning bolt icon. Click it to instantly generate an invoice that includes all their billable expenses, marked up if you choose. My crucial pro tip: create a clear markup policy. In your account and settings under Expenses, you can set a default markup percentage for billable expenses. This automatically adds a fee for your procurement services, turning reimbursable costs into a small profit center. Just be sure to communicate this to clients upfront. It's the seamless way to pass on project costs without eating into your margin. How do you handle client expenses? Do you markup, or just pass them through at cost? Let me know below. For more smart money tracking guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.